Greetings and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily paint a waterfall scenery. Let's start painting. Starting off with the sky, let's add some light blue and white and blend it well together. Then add a little bit of lemon yellow and blend it all well with white. Next off, add Persian blue and create a kind of rectangle. That's where the waterfall is gonna be. And add black to the sides. That's where our trees and the nature is gonna be. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's the base layer. Hi guys, I'm Melito, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified when I post new videos like this. And I'll link some of the art materials I used in this video in the description box below. Next, use a fan brush and cerulean blue to add kind of where you want the waterfall to be. So kind of you're making an idea of where the waterfall drops are gonna be. Then add layers of light blue on top to make the water more effective and realistic. Let it dry. Next, add green and use a brush and dab it. I'm using fan brush here. And dabbing it with green, so it'll be like a grassy but dark effect. When the waterfall is dry, add onion, add more layers with white. Grab a piece of sponge and dab it into some paint and use that texture to make trees and draw stems. I'm using burnt sienna for this one. And I would like a cherry blossom tree on the other side, and I'm drawing two trees on the right side. I'm adding one more layer of white and also adding some water splashes to the waterfall. Now I'm drawing some rocks with burnt umber. I'm placing the rocks where the waterfall falls, so it'll be like a splashy effect. I'm adding lighter shades to make it more realistic. Now I'm adding leaves on the cherry blossom tree. I'm doing it with pink. Now I'm adding more texture with green for the grass. And I'm also adding a shade of orange to the tree on the right. Now I'm drawing some kind of weedy plants with small flowers. Add more shades to the tree with darker and lighter shades of brown. I'm drawing few birds. With more detail to the water splashes. I added some more green to the grass, but I didn't record it because my camera fell off. Sorry. this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and you guys can also try this out.